Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. We are unboxing some Proven Winners plants sent out by Walter's Gardens, and I'm very excited about this. These plants are plants that Walter's Gardens allowed me to pick out, and they shipped them out, and they just got here. So let's go ahead and unbox. I've got my packing slip, so we'll go through what each plant is as we unbox it. We have 6 boxes to open up together. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're just going to start with the box that's closest to us right here. Let me put my pack and slip down. Bring this over. No, I have some shears in here somewhere. There. Oops. The spring popped off. Fixed. All is well. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, Sierra! Ooh, okay, so you see how to get this out. These are 1-gallon pots. Oh, this baby, I think this pot got flipped upside down. We got stuff everywhere. So this is living large dark sky salvia. So here's what it looks like. Foliage is textured. The underside is very soft and fuzzy. And this definitely got flipped around in the FedEx truck. Don't worry, it'll bounce back just fine. So we did get multiples of the plants. So this box probably has several more of these in here. Let's just check and see. Oh, this is a different one. This is bejeweled lavender sapphires. Very cool. Look at the leaves on this. They're so pretty. I love this foliage color. It's beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh yeah, this one is cute. So this is Forged in Fire Heliopsis. She got shaken around a bit, but she'll bounce back. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. We have another Forged in Fire Heliopsis. Beautiful. This is Fruit Punch Whipped Cream Dianthus. Gorgeous. Got another Fruit Punch Whipped Cream Dianthus. Ooh. This is beautiful. This is cloud cover. Look how gorgeous this is. Cloud cover. Got another cloud cover. Beautiful. Forged in fire. This is my third one. Ooh. Living large dark sky salvia. I think this is the second. Yeah, this is the second one. It's gorgeous. All right, we got our third one. This one definitely lost a lot of his soil. Gorgeous. This one looks so good. Bejeweled dark amethyst penstemon. This is number 2 of this one. A few more boxes to go. Ooh, pretty, pretty. It's another bejeweled dark amethyst. The foliage on this is gorgeous. I love this so much. It's a penstemon. I love penstemon. Okay, so here's another bejeweled lavender spires. This one is a teeny baby. I can still see its little plug in here. This one will probably need to stay in this pot for a while and let it just kind of settle in and root. I do see roots down here, but it did lose a lot of its soil in transport. But this is bejeweled lavender sapphires. Bejeweled dark amethyst. Is this the third one for that? Yes, this is the third bejeweled dark amethyst. Okay. Woo, it smells good. This is Summer Serenade. This is a lavandula. Oh, smells so good. I love lavender. Beautiful. This is our last big box, and then we have this small one over here. So we are nearing the finish line. And typically, I wouldn't make a video this late in the day because it's super hot and I have other things to do, but I cannot leave these plants in a box overnight outside. So all right. You're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Let me see how I'm gonna get you out of here like this. All right. Oh, smells so good. Okay, hold on. Let me see how I'm gonna get this out of here. Come on. I'm trying to be gentle. I don't want to break any pieces of it. Oof. Woo! Summer Serenade. So beautiful. Look at this. I did not expect any of them to be in bloom. That is freaking gorgeous. How beautiful is this? Ah, so pretty. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh. This is freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I could live like right in the center of this. It's so beautiful. Any blooms? No blooms. Oof. This is another of our bejeweled lavender sapphires. Penstemon. Okay. We got a little bloom on this one. We got fruit punch whipped cream dianthus, gorgeous. And these have white blooms. This is so cute. And then one more for this last box. I love you, I love you, I love you. You're so beautiful. Oh, okay, let me be gentle. We've got another lavender. How gorgeous is this? So pretty. Oh my gosh, I could live in this. So pretty. Put that right there. Summer Serenade. Last but not least. Ooh, we got 4 in this box. This up here. All right, so let's see what's in this box. Oh, so much dirt. Oh my gosh. Okay, so when they reached out to me and asked me about what plants I wanted, I like you got like a list and I picked from a list. And then I asked about plants that weren't on the list, and I just was like interested in them and like, hey, you know, if it's not a big deal, send me some. You can. Oh, look at these carnivorous plants. Absolutely gorgeous. This baby is coming all the way out the pot. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is bug bat pitcher plant, and it is a perennial. Look how gorgeous that is. Bug bat. Bug bat. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, where can I put this? All right, and then we've got, let's do another. These poor babies got shook all the way up. Let me see. Oh, come on, babe. Come on. Here's another one. Oh, the poor plug. Look. It's just a little plug. Let's see if I can get you. We're going to have to do something with you because you can't sit in this like this. So we'll do something with this guy. And then carnivorous plants need to be kept boggy, soggy. So put them on a tray of water. This is another bug bat pitcher plant. That color is incredible. Gorgeous. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. This baby right here. Oh, this is another bug bat. Let me see. Oh my gosh, there's so much soil in here. Oh. Bug bat. Oh my gosh, these are absolutely gorgeous. They're just jostled in these containers. I feel so bad for them, but they'll be fine. It's just shipping plants is hard. It really is. There's another one. Oof. Come on, come on. Bug bat. See, I did this like months ago, and I didn't really remember if I picked I didn't even remember these, to be quite honest with you. I didn't remember, and I didn't really get a confirmation of where if I was going to get them or not. It was just like, hey, you know. But I'm so glad they're here. They are absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So I've got the plants sorted into their houses. I'll just say houses. So let's start here and just have another look at them. We've got the lavender summer serenade, and these plants are absolutely stunning. They're probably my favorite out of the unboxing for scent and because they were in bloom already. Next up, we've got Forged in Fire Heliopsis. Beautiful. The leaves are serrated and outlined in this burgundy color, which is absolutely stunning. Next up, we have cloud cover. I wish I would have gotten 3 of this plant because it is very, very beautiful. It's fuzzy and soft. I love a good fuzzy plant. The blooms are white, even though it's not blooming now, but I think this is going to be a beautiful pop of color in the landscape. Next up is Fruit Punch Whipped Cream Dianthus. Gorgeous spiky foliage. And then we have one plant that is in bloom right now and has buds on it. Beautiful creamy white bloom. Here we have Lavender Sapphires Penstemon. This will have beautiful purple flowers on it. Here we have Penstemon Dark Amethyst, and this will also have a dark purple flower. This plant is Living Large Dark Sky Salvia. Gorgeous leaf texture. It has a little fuzz on the backs of the leaves and the stems. And it also will have a purple flower. Over here we have Bugbat, the pitcher plant. And these are stunning. So look at the pictures. See that color? Gorgeous. And these are perennial. That red is incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the plants. We'll definitely keep tabs on them through the season, and especially checking for blooms. We already have one in bloom. It's right here and I love it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I could live in a lavender field. Like, that's how much I'm back. That's how much I love that lavender smell. It smells so rich and floral and abundant, and I love it. Please excuse my hair, it's crazy. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which plant is your favorite in the comment section. Thank you, Proven Winners. Thank you, Walter's Gardens, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.